Hello and welcome, my amazing friends. I am really happy to see you here today. Today, we are going to talk about something very powerful that can completely change your English speaking life. If you stay with me till the end of this video, you will understand how to speak English more naturally, more confidently, and more like a native speaker. Not in theory, but in real practical steps that you can start using today. Now, listen carefully. Many learners want to speak English like a native speaker. They watch videos, they learn grammar, they memorize vocabulary. But still, when they speak, something feels wrong. Their speech feels slow, their sentences feel broken, their confidence goes down, and they start thinking maybe English is too hard for them. Maybe they will never sound natural. But I want you to understand something very important today. The problem is not your intelligence. The problem is not your hard work. The problem is your method. Most learners are learning English in the wrong way. They focus only on words, but they forget how real speaking actually works. Now, here is the truth. Speaking English like a native is not about learning big words. It is not about perfect grammar. It is about flow, rhythm, and practice. And the good news is this is not a talent. This is a skill. And any skill can be learned if you follow the right method. Today, I will show you simple and powerful tricks that will help you speak English more naturally step by step. So, stay focused and don't skip any part. Let's start. Trick 1 is think in English, not in your native language. This is the first and most important step. Many learners think in their language first, then translate into English. This creates delay. It makes speaking slow and unnatural. Instead, start thinking in small English sentences. For example, instead of thinking mujhe pani chahiye, think I need water. Start with simple thoughts like I am hungry, I am going out, I am learning English. At first, it will feel strange. This is normal, but slowly your brain will adjust. Practice this every day for a few minutes. Trick 2 is speak in chunks, not single words. Many learners speak word by word. I want to go home. This sounds unnatural. Native speakers speak in groups of words. I want to go home. I am going to school. I need some time. So, your practice should focus on phrases. Take small sentences and repeat them again and again. For example, say, I want to go home 10 times. Then use it in different situations. This builds natural flow. Trick 3 is learn linking of words. Native speakers do not stop after every word. They connect words together. This makes speech smooth. For example, want to becomes wanna in fast speech. Going to becomes gonna. So instead of saying, I am going to call you, say it smoothly like, I'm gonna call you. Practice by speaking slowly first, then slowly increasing speed. Do not force it. Let it become natural over time. Trick 4 is shadowing technique. This is one of the most powerful methods. Shadowing means listening to native speakers and repeating with them at the same time, not after, but with them. For example, take a short sentence like, I think this is a good idea. Play it and speak with it. Try to match pronunciation, tone, and speed. Do this for 10 minutes daily. At first, you may miss words. That is okay. Keep going. This trains your mouth and ears together. Trick 5 is improve your pronunciation, not just vocabulary. Many learners think more words means better English. But if pronunciation is weak, communication fails. Focus on clear sounds. For example, practice words like better, water, important, beautiful. Say them slowly, then say them clearly, then use them in sentences. Do not rush. Clarity is more important than speed. Trick 6 is use simple sentences in daily life. You do not need complex grammar to sound natural. Native speakers often use simple sentences. I'm tired. I'm happy. I don't know. Let's go. So practice speaking simple sentences all day. Do not try to impress people. Try to communicate clearly. Simplicity is power. Trick 7 is listen more than you speak at the beginning. This is very important. If you listen carefully to native speakers, your brain learns patterns automatically. Watch English videos, podcasts, or conversations. Focus on how they speak, not just what they say. Notice rhythm, tone, and flow. Then, try to copy. Trick 8 is practice daily, even for a short time. Consistency is the key. You do not need hours. Even 10 to 15 minutes daily practice can change your speaking. The problem is not lack of time. The problem is lack of consistency. Do a little every day, but never stop. Now, let's connect everything. If you think in English, speak in chunks, link your words, shadow native speakers, improve pronunciation, use simple sentences, listen carefully, and practice daily, your English will improve step by step. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Now, I want to give you a simple daily routine. First, spend 5 minutes thinking in English. Second, spend 5 minutes shadowing a short video. Third, spend 5 minutes speaking simple sentences alone. Fourth, listen to English content for 10 minutes. That's it. Just 20 to 25 minutes daily can change your speaking completely over time. At the beginning, you will feel slow. You may make mistakes. You may feel uncomfortable. But this is part of learning. Every fluent speaker once struggled like you. The difference is they did not quit. So stay patient, stay consistent, keep practicing, and remember one powerful truth. English is not difficult. It only becomes difficult when you overthink it. When you simplify it, it becomes easy. If you follow everything I share today, your speaking will start improving. You will feel more confident. You will stop translating in your mind, and slowly, you will start speaking more naturally. So keep going, practice daily, and believe in yourself, because you are closer to fluency than you think.